Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield in Derbyshire in the UK. I'm just here to do a walk around review and specification on this gorgeous naked bike, which is a 2022 Yamaha MT03. And the colour is Cyan Storm. They do other colours called Icon Blue and Matte Midnight Black. I'll just show you this engine, which is a 321cc liquid cooled double overhead cam 4-stroke, 4 valves, parallel twin. It's EU5 compliant. It's got 42 brake horsepower at 10,750 RPM. That's your oil check window. It's got 29.6 Newton meters of torque at 9,000 RPM. That's your decent footplate. Brake reservoir. It's got a top speed of approximately 112 miles an hour. Just show you underneath. It's got your ground clearance at 160mm. It's your exhaust. Just show you these graphics. That's your grey and cyan, the red vinyl decals. You've got your air scoops, bloody foams. So you've got your front suspension, which is a 37mm upside down fork with a travel of 130mm. You've got Dunlop tyres, which wrap around your 17-inch 10-spoke cyan blue wheels. Your front brake is ABS. It's a hydraulic single disc with a size of 298mm. Show you indicators, which is LED, and they're LED all round. Then you've got a single LED powerful projector headlight. This bike weighs 168 kilograms, which is a wet weight. You've got a height of 1035mm. You've got a total length of 2090mm. And then I'll just get in there and show you a seat, and the seat height is 780mm. Show you this petrol tank, which has got a capacity of 14 litres. And this MT03 will do approximately 65 miles to the gallon. That's not confirmed, but I would say on average between 60 and 70 miles per gallon, depends on how you ride. You've got your LCD screen, Just want to thank my watchers, including yourself, for watching this video and supporting the channel. If you like 4K close-up motorcycle videos, be sure to subscribe to the GAZWORLD channel. Be glad to have you on board. Show you this rear suspension, which is a monoshock single swing arm type, and the travel on this one is 125mm. Your rear brake again is ABS. It's a hydraulic single disc with a brake size of 220mm. I know in previous videos I do get quite a lot of comments. These wheels, you either love or hate them. I don't actually mind them. Some loathe them. I suppose it's a personal choice. I've done the MT03, this is obviously the 03, I've done the 07 and the 09, so be sure to check my other videos out. Nice Yamaha badge. Again, your LED indicators. You got your LED tail light. Obviously chain driven. We've got a 6-speed gearbox and it's a wet clutch type. If you like this Yamaha MT03, be sure to contact CMC Chesterfield in Derbyshire. This bike is 5,400 on the road, and I just want to say thank you to CMC for letting me film this bike. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. Thanks everybody for watching. I've been Gaz at GAZWORLD. I want to thank you for your support. Hit the subscribe and the notification button, and I'll see you in the next motorcycle video. Thank you.